In this video, I am going to show you how to avoid trading limits on Olymp Trade. Trading within certain limits can restrict your ability to capitalize on market opportunities. To ensure seamless trading and maximize your potential, follow these guidelines to avoid encountering limits on your account. 1. Verify your account. Complete the account verification process as required by your trading platform. Submit valid identifications and any additional documents requested to verify your address. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements to maintain an active and unrestricted trading account. 2. Make smaller trades. Execute trades that are proportionate and to your account balance. Avoid concentrating too much of your capital in a single trade. And use appropriate position sizing techniques to manage risk and avoid overexposure to any single trade. 3. Exercise caution with bonus programs. Refrain from abusing bonus programs offered by your trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of bonus offers, including any trading volume. And trade responsibly to avoid making excessive trades solely to meet bonus criteria. 4. Avoid multiple trading profiles. Stick to a single trading profile and avoid creating multiple accounts unless explicitly permitted by your trading platform. And take advantage of features allowing multiple accounts under one profile instead of creating separate profiles. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.